Hello, folks. Welcome to this Detroit Miracle Short. It's about nature. Did you know that nature doesn't care? Nature doesn't judge. Nature doesn't favor. But nature still makes a whole lot of terrific conditions one way or the other. So that's an indication that in order to do great things and put people in great conditions and placements, you don't necessarily have to care, but rather it be a part of your function regarding selections, natural selections, habitations, and etc. You can believe that, folks. Indeed.